traffic is just going to be backed up for miles. They're hand unloading everything that was left on that truck in order to, I guess, salvage it. So they got the lane taken for almost a mile, plus the truck. And we've still got, it's not even rush hour yet. It almost feels like I'm in Seattle today. Don't you love when you think you're taking a video and you find out you've just been talking to yourself for the last 10 minutes? We had a good wreck today. Semi truck decided to can opener itself on a bridge, coming off of a bridge. Rolled over. I'll roll in some clips and kind of show you what happened, or show you the aftermath of what happened. We got called in to do the cleanup, and then we got kicked off of it because the tow truck company's like, nope, we got it. Perfect. Yeah, it cost me a little overtime, but I get to be home with the kids tonight, not messing around with that. Make sure my phone doesn't fly off because I am not re-recording this for the 4th time this drive. But yeah, it was something else. I don't know how else to say it. It was something else. Bringing the dump truck and a loader, getting loaded up. I'll show you a clip of that too. Our journeyman, phenomenal operator, until you put a camera on him. He slammed me good. It was only 1,000 pounds worth of stuff because it was just plastic for the, the price tag things you got at the grocery store. Oh, some grocery stores still have them. It was a whole truckload of that. But yeah, it was kind of fun, kind of not. Whoop. Don't try to longboard off a curb. They get caught, kid. Man. But yeah, I'm just pulling into the house. I wasted 30 minutes of talking to the camera. Not talking to the camera. Just talking to myself. But I posted a couple shorts, and you guys can check that out. I'll let you just kind of get an idea of what happened. But I'll fill you in, and hopefully tomorrow's an easier day.
Okay, I'm right here next to the grocery outlet. What are we doing, guys? Here? Ow.
And we're slowing down for rubberneckers to look at the truck. Oh wow, we're really slowing down. This is what causes wrecks after a wreck has already happened. You got the tow trucks here, you've got the wreckers here, you got everybody here doing their job like they're supposed to be. And nobody is paying attention to the car in front of them. That's why my phone's in a mount.